Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. You guys, I'm so excited for today's video. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I already broke into this box, okay, because my address is on the other side and we don't want to deal with that. So, and this package comes all the way from Canada, you guys, and it's my first time purchasing an Aura Estelle planner. And oh my goodness, let me see what it says on the other side. I think yeah, just their info here. Okay, do you want to see what's inside? Me too. Okay friends, so oh my goodness, I'm so excited. All right, so we have, oh okay, this is I guess this is their freebie. It's a sticker. Oh, this is cute. This, okay, so I have to tell you, this planner, you're gonna think, oh, she probably got leopard or pink or something like that, and I did not. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let me take this away. Okay, let's see. All right. So it's so well packaged. So let's take a look. So now let me tell you what size this is. This is a personal wide. This is called, you know what? There's no packaging for this. There's no, yeah, there's nothing in here. So I think it's Share, right? S-H-E-R. So this, ooh. This is the personal wide. Oh my gosh. And this is leather. Oh my goodness. So they were having a Black Friday sale and I wanted to purchase a leather personal wide rings, you guys. This color is beautiful. I thought it was gonna be darker. Actually, I thought it was going to be more brown than red, than berry. This is beautiful. So beautiful. And I'm going to leave you the name here. I think it's Raspberry Coulis. Raspberry Coulis. It's, yeah, I think that's the name. And I think it's Share. So this one, it's leather. And that's why I picked this one. I honestly wanted to get the pink leopard print. I think it's the cloud. For one, it's not leather, and I don't think they had the personal wide. Oh no, maybe they did. I can't remember exactly, but I wanted a leather planner. I didn't want the fall leather. Oh my, oh, and it has strings too. Oh, I didn't know that. I did not know that. Oh, I like this this right here. I like the spine. It feels really nice. Yeah, it feels thicker than my Moterm. But it's nice and soft. So let's take everything out of here. And let's go over this. I know that this strap is, you can change it, right? You can make it smaller. I don't know how you would do that. I think I'm gonna have to, oh, like this. Pretty sure it's like this. Oh, and it has double, oh my gosh, it has 2 pen loops. Great. I think it's, okay, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm jumping the gun over here, you guys. Let me show you. So it has silver hardware. You have the silver snap and the silver rings. You have 2 strings on one side and 2 strings on the other. You also have, well, let's take this off. Let's take the plastic off. Oh, and this is another thing. These ones are, so the rings are, it's a Krause. They're supposed to be like the Rolls Royce of rings. So I'm excited for this too. Oh, yeah, soft. Nice and smooth. Okay, So when you open this, all right, so that feels good, and they are in perfect condition. Yep, they're nice and tight. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me show you. On the left side, you have 1, 2, 3 slots for credit cards, and then you have 1 and 2. I think these are deeper, maybe deeper pockets. Let's see. This is a gift card. Oh yeah, this is deep. And let's take a look at this one. Oh wow, these ones are small. Okay, so I guess the credit card will have to go this way. Okay, well, I don't know if I like that or not, because this would not have enough slots for my credit cards. But maybe I can double it up. It feels like these pockets are very they're a pretty good size, so you might be able to double 2 credit cards or 2 IDs or something here. But this one doesn't house it's not gonna house my license or my credit cards unless I put them this way. Okay, so you also have a pocket here. Oh, and you can see the material here. It's nice there. And another pocket here. This is pretty. I like the detail here. I like how the corners, the edges here are round. It's almost like a lip or a tab. Then 2 strings, rings, 2 strings, and then on this side you have another pocket, so it's the same. And then this pocket is the same, but it has different. It doesn't have any credit card pockets here. I wish they had like a pocket here for your ID or something like that. That would be nice. And then have their logo here. So I know that the strap, you can change it, and you can actually purchase different color straps if you want to switch it. Oh, if I would have known that. You know what? That's one drawback from their website. I feel like it doesn't have a lot of information, at least for this planner. I wish it would have. I wish they would have given us more pictures and more information, because as far as I know, this is the only leather planner they have. Yeah. So it's lovely, you guys. It's so beautiful. It doesn't have one of those big pockets here, like the Multerm. But what I'm thinking is I can buy a little fly leaf if I need to add more credit cards to this, because this is gonna go in my purse, you guys. That's what that's why I purchased this, with the intention of taking this with me in my purse. I love this color. This is a beautiful berry color. It's so pretty. You have the logo here on the snap. So beautiful. I can't wait to, oh, wait. There you go. I can't wait to set this up. All right, you guys, and it comes with a sampler here. You know what? I didn't check if, oh, okay, yes, I did check. Let me tell you what happened now that I remember. I wanted to purchase a calendar and also the ruler, the bookmark that goes here, and some inserts and a calendar. So I added everything to, oh, and I also added another planner. It's a pink, one of the, it was a pink croc, and it was in the same size, or maybe in the personal. So when I added those items to this one that was on sale, I think this was either 30 or 40% off. It came up to regular price. And no matter what I did, it would not go back to the sale price. So I ended up taking everything else that I was going to purchase off my cart and just purchasing this. I don't know if there was a glitch or what, but the other items were not on sale. I don't think they were on sale. They were regular price because only some items were on sale for Black Friday. But this one, that was the main item that I wanted, it just kept going back to regular price and I could not get it to give me the discount. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna get the one that I wanted, which is this Share. I think it's called Share. I don't know. I'll leave the information here and also in the description box, okay? And so yeah, I just got this and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look how it's gonna look with my with my other one. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Am I center? I don't even know. Look how pretty that looks, you guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the pocket and this is the personal wide. You can see the difference. I mean, there's a big difference between this LV pocket and this Aura Estelle personal wide. Yeah. So I'm so happy. I'm not going to show you what I'm going to use with this. So I'm going to have another video. This is just a quick unboxing, but I'll come back and I'll set this up. You're not going to guess what I'm going to use for this. And some of you guys are going to be like, why are you using those inserts? But you'll see. All right, friends. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.